Intro. Are you looking for ways to turn back the clock and maintain a youthful appearance? In today's video, we're diving into the world of anti-aging exercises that can help you achieve just that. As we age, our bodies naturally undergo changes that can affect our skin, muscle tone, and overall vitality. But the good news is, incorporating specific exercises into your routine can significantly slow down these effects and promote a healthier, more vibrant you. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 anti-aging exercises that you absolutely must include in your fitness regimen. These exercises are not only effective, but also easy to integrate into your daily life, regardless of your fitness level. From enhancing your skin's elasticity to boosting your energy levels, these movements are designed to rejuvenate your body and mind. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, stay tuned as we unveil these powerful exercises that can help you look and feel younger. Get ready to discover the secrets to a more youthful you with our top 5 anti-aging exercises. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Walking is often underestimated, yet it remains one of the most accessible and effective cardiovascular exercises. This low-impact activity can be done almost anywhere, making it a perfect choice for individuals of all fitness levels. Walking elevates your heart rate, improves circulation, and helps maintain a healthy weight, all while being gentle on the joints. What sets walking apart is its simplicity and versatility. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine, whether it's a brisk stroll in the park or a leisurely walk around your neighborhood. Unlike higher-ranked exercises that may require more effort or equipment, walking allows for a relaxed pace, making it a sustainable option for long-term fitness. While walking is a fantastic starting point, it ranks at number 5 because it lacks the intensity and calorie-burning potential of more vigorous cardiovascular workouts. For instance, higher-ranked exercises like running or cycling can significantly boost your heart rate and endurance, providing a more robust cardiovascular challenge. However, walking serves as an excellent foundation, especially for beginners or those recovering from injury. Its ability to promote mental well-being and reduce stress further enhances its appeal, making it a vital component of any fitness regimen. Number 4. Tai Chi is a graceful and meditative form of exercise that combines slow, flowing movements with deep breathing and mindfulness. Often referred to as moving meditation, Tai Chi promotes relaxation while enhancing balance, flexibility, and overall cardiovascular health. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels, allowing practitioners to engage in a low-impact workout that still delivers significant benefits. What sets Tai Chi apart is its emphasis on mental focus and body awareness. Each movement is performed with intention, fostering a deep connection between mind and body. This unique characteristic not only improves physical health, but also reduces stress and anxiety, making it a holistic approach to wellness. However, Tai Chi ranks at number 4 because, while it offers numerous benefits, it may not elevate the heart rate as effectively as higher-ranked exercises like swimming or cycling. These more vigorous activities provide a greater cardiovascular challenge and calorie burn, making them ideal for those seeking intense workouts. Nevertheless, Tai Chi serves as an excellent complement to these higher-ranked exercises, promoting recovery and enhancing flexibility. Its ability to cultivate inner peace and mindfulness further enriches the overall fitness experience, making it a valuable addition to any exercise routine. Number 3. Strength training. Strength training is a powerhouse of an exercise that focuses on building muscle mass, enhancing bone density, and boosting metabolism. Utilizing weights, resistance bands, or even body weight, this form of exercise challenges your muscles, leading to increased strength and endurance. One of its standout features is the ability to sculpt and tone the body, making it a favorite among fitness enthusiasts looking to achieve a defined physique. What sets strength training apart is its versatility. It can be tailored to suit any fitness level, from beginners to advanced athletes. Additionally, it offers functional benefits, improving everyday activities and reducing the risk of injury. Unlike higher-ranked exercises such as high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which provide a more dynamic cardiovascular workout, strength training focuses on muscle engagement and stability. However, it ranks at number 3 because, while it significantly contributes to overall fitness, it may not elevate the heart rate as effectively as more intense cardiovascular workouts. HIIT, for instance, combines strength and cardio, delivering a comprehensive workout that maximizes calorie burn in a shorter time frame. Nevertheless, strength training remains an essential component of any fitness regimen, providing a solid foundation for overall health and wellness. Its ability to enhance physical performance and promote longevity makes it a crucial exercise to incorporate into your routine. Number 2, Pilates. Pilates is a dynamic exercise method that emphasizes core strength, flexibility, and overall body awareness. Developed by Joseph Pilates, this practice focuses on controlled movements and precise alignment, making it an excellent choice for improving posture and stability. One of its standout features is the emphasis on the mind-body connection, encouraging practitioners to engage their muscles thoughtfully and intentionally. What sets Pilates apart is its adaptability. It can be modified to suit various fitness levels and goals, from rehabilitation to athletic performance. The use of specialized equipment, such as the reformer, adds an extra layer of resistance and support, enhancing the effectiveness of each exercise. Unlike higher-ranked exercises like high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which deliver rapid calorie burn and cardiovascular benefits, Pilates offers a more focused approach to strength and flexibility. However, it ranks at number 2 because, while it significantly enhances core strength and muscle tone, it may not provide the same level of cardiovascular conditioning as HIIT. The latter combines strength and aerobic elements, resulting in a more intense workout that maximizes calorie expenditure. Nevertheless, Pilates remains an invaluable addition to any fitness routine, promoting long-term health, injury prevention, and improved athletic performance. Its ability to cultivate a strong core and enhance overall body awareness makes it a top choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking balance and strength. Number 1, Yoga. Yoga is a holistic practice that seamlessly blends physical postures, breath control, and meditation, making it the ultimate exercise for both body and mind. This ancient discipline promotes flexibility, strength, and balance, while fostering a deep sense of inner peace and mindfulness. One of its most compelling attributes is its ability to cater to individuals of all ages and fitness levels, allowing everyone to experience its transformative benefits. What sets yoga apart is its comprehensive approach to wellness. Each session not only enhances physical fitness, but also encourages mental clarity and emotional stability. The variety of styles, from the gentle flow of hatha to the intensity of ashtanga, ensures that practitioners can find a practice that resonates with their personal goals. Unlike Pilates, which primarily focuses on core strength and stability, yoga encompasses a broader spectrum of benefits, including stress reduction and improved mental health. Yoga ranks at number 1 because it transcends mere physical exercise. It nurtures the mind, body, and spirit. While strength training and Pilates offer significant physical benefits, they may not provide the same level of emotional and mental well-being that yoga does. Its ability to cultivate mindfulness, enhance flexibility, and promote relaxation makes it an essential practice for anyone seeking a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Embrace yoga to unlock a deeper connection with yourself and experience the profound benefits it has to offer. Conclusion: in today's video, we explored the top 5 anti-aging exercises you must incorporate into your routine to maintain vitality and youthfulness. We began with walking at number 5, a simple yet effective way to boost cardiovascular health. Next, we highlighted Tai Chi at number 4, a graceful practice that enhances balance and mental clarity. At number 3, strength training emerged as a powerhouse for building muscle and improving overall fitness. Pilates took the number 2 spot, offering a unique blend of core strength and flexibility, while our top-ranked exercise, yoga provided a holistic approach to physical and mental well-being. Each of these exercises brings its own unique benefits to the table, making them essential components of an anti-aging regimen. Whether you're looking to improve your strength, flexibility, or mental clarity, these exercises can help you achieve your goals and enhance your quality of life. We encourage you to explore more about these featured exercises and consider incorporating them into your daily routine. Remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your health and well-being. By embracing these anti-aging exercises, you're not just investing in your physical appearance, you're nurturing your overall vitality and longevity. Take action today and unlock the secrets to a healthier, more youthful you.